Longani Clinic's YouTube channel welcomes all of you. Today's our topic is role of miasms in the repertory. What is miasm? Miasm is the most important and least understood topic in the homeopathic system of medicine. The word as well as the concept of miasm was introduced by our master Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. It was greatly and widely expanded by stalwarts like Kane, Robert, Stuart Close. Everyone explained miasms in their own way. The different approaches to the understanding of miasms have created different meanings of miasms, but all the explanation have one commonality, and that is miasms are the underlying causes of diseases. One must note that the concept of the chronic diseases and miasms remain same even while the differences are noticed in explanation given by the stalwarts. The fact remains that the miasms are the fundamental cause as well as the nature of chronic disease. Dr. Samuel Hahnemann, the father of homeopathy, used the term miasm to describe the transgenerational causes to disease. Hahnemann described miasm as negative forces that serve no purpose other than to guarantee human a miserable life and an untimely death. The word miasm means an obstacle to cure the deeper roots to the diseases. The term miasm means noxious influences. A miasm is mostly simply defined as a person's inherited disease group. Every human has an inherited miasm and with an inherited responses that have been passed down from one generation to the next generation. A miasm is either active, inactive, latent, or exposed. Miasms are either inherited, meaning passed down through family genetics, or they can also be acquired, such as through developing the diseases of gonorrhea or syphilis. Miasms are responsible for all chronic diseases of any type. The theory suggests that if 100% of all diseases is miasmatic, then 85% is due to the primary miasm Hahnemann called SORA. The remaining 50% of all the diseases he held to be either syphilitic or psychotic, being derived from the suppressed syphilis or suppressed gonorrhea. Hahnemann, unlike Kane, latter attached no moral dimension whatsoever to the sexual nature of the two latter miasms. Now we see the type of miasms. First one is the acute miasm. In that you will find recurring type. For example, cholera, plague, etc. Next one is a non-recurring type of fixed miasm. For example, smallpox, whooping cough. The next one, second one, chronic miasm. Under that you will find SORA, syphilis and psychosis. There are three primary miasms in homeopathy. The first one is a SORA. This is considered the most fundamental miasm and is associated with a susceptibility to skin diseases and allergies. SORA is thought to be the result of suppressed skin eruptions such as eczema or psoriasis and is considered the foundation of other miasms. Next one is a psychosis. Psychosis is associated with condition related to excess mucus and abnormal growths such as warts, polyps. It is believed to result from the suppressed gonorrheal discharges. Third one, syphilis. This miasm is linked to destructive and degenerative process in the body affecting various organs and systems. It is associated with conditions such as arthritis, cardiovascular diseases, neurological disorder. Syphilitic miasm is believed to arise from the suppression of syphilitic infection. Now we'll see the miasm representation in the repertory. First we'll see in BBCR under the chapter Sensation and Complaints. Under that constitution, soric, we will find scrofullo, lymphatic. There are total 21 medicines are there. Sulfur is given in highest grade. Next is a psychosis, 13 medicines are there. Thuja is given in the highest grade. Then syphilitic, 20 medicines are there. Merc-Sol is the highest grade. Now we'll come to the Murphy's repertory under the chapter Constitution. Soric constitution, medicine mentioned are calcarea carb, graphites, nico, soranum, sulfur. Then in synthesis repertory, under the Sora, there are 222 medicines are there. Sora and sulfur are the highest grade medicine, or soranum and sulfur. Next comes the psychosis. There are 186 medicines are there. Medicines like argentum mate, argentum nitricum, calisep, nitric acid, midorinum, staphy, sepia, thuja are of the highest grade medicine. Then comes the syphilis. 209 medicines are there. Aurum, aurum mate, aurum murnat, kali iod, calisep, laureshirus, merc, merc IF, merc IR, nitric acid, phytolacca, silicia and syphilinium of the highest grade. Now we will come to the Kent's repertory. Under the chapter Generals, Psychosis, there are 52 medicines are there. Then in syphilis, 47 medicines are there. Now we will come to the Phatak's repertory. In Sora, there are 12 medicines are there. Calcarea, soranum, sulfur, highest grade medicines. Then the Psychosis, 22 medicines are there. Midorinum, natrum sulf, sarsaparilla, thuja, highest grade medicines. Then syphilis, there are total 19 medicines are there. Now we'll see the concluding part. Understanding of miasms in each case is imperative in order to deal with the case adequately and appropriately. Understanding of miasms help in planning and programming of the treatment in a case. Thank you.